How to fix GCash app error code OT-50. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you a few steps on what you can do to make the error code go away. So the first thing is you don't want to open the app like this. What you want to do is open your phone settings. Once you open your phone settings, scroll down until you see your app settings or your app vault where all of your apps are, and scroll down until you find GCash. So right here, once you find it, what you want to do is first of all go to your battery uses and make sure that it's on optimized or unrestricted, because if your battery uses is on restricted, the restriction on the battery will cause the app to malfunction and cause the error code to happen. So I recommend you use the optimized version, which is best for both the app and your phone. Just go back and go to permissions and make sure to allow all of these permissions, because the app needs all of these permissions to run smoothly without any problem. And once you make sure you have all of the permissions turned on, just go down to your storage section, and here you want to clear your cache, because it's always good to clear the junk files and all of the cache files. And once you do that, just go back to open your Play Store. So once you open your Play Store, search for GCash, and if you see any update option available, you should update the app, because if you are running an older version, and it might not be optimized to your phone, so just make sure to update the app. And once you do that, if you just long press on your power button and restart the app or your phone, then your problem should go away and the error OT-50 should no longer be there. I hope you found the video helpful. If so, hit the like button below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notification for future updates. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.